Hi, this is The Next Gardener. Today we're going to show you when and how to water succulents. So, how to tell your succulents are thirsty? We're going to show you the 3 easiest ways in this video. So let's start it. First, you can observe the succulent's leaves. While some dry leaves are normal for succulents, but when increasing dry and shriveled leaves persist for a few days, that means they are extremely thirsty. Time to give them a good drink. Second, measure humidity in the soil with a moisture meter. Use the meter to spot check your succulents. Usually it has a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being the most dry and 10 being the most wet, which will help you decide if you need to water your succulents ASAP. Third, feel the soil with your fingers. This is the easier compared with the second method. Insert your fingers into the soil and feel the moisture of soil. Sometimes you can use the wood stick or chopsticks to replace your finger. Water your succulents if the soil dries out. So, how to water your succulents in the right way? We're sure you've heard about the soak and dry method. Yes, that's true, and it works for all the year. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you think it is helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel and get more information about succulents and gardening.